Hey Coco, lounge lights on. Spoon. Good morning, everyone. We just woke out of bed and now we're eating our breakfast. But what video should we do today, Belle? Do you have any ideas?
Put the mold into the candle. That colorful stuff.
Why don't we make something with Coco Pops?
Yeah.
I'm Jasmine and this is Belle. Today we're going to be making a chocolate Easter bird's nest. Let's get started.
These are eggs. A little bit hard, but these are Easter eggs. Put them in this one is my face bag. This one is not glittery at all.
Frying egg.
And this is the glittery one.
These are the ingredients that we're going to use to make our chocolate Easter bird nest.
This is peanut butter.
Vanilla essence.
Butter.
A cup of Coco Pops.
Cup of marshmallows.
Chocolate chips. Now we're going to get started by making it. Yay!
How we make it? This is butter and this is marshmallows. We're going to put them here and just get started. Now the butter.
Belle, that was a really good job of putting the ingredients in the bowl. Now we're going to mount it in a secret place in our cubby house. Let's go! Welcome outside to our cubby house. Now we're going to show you some stuff in our cubby. We have some rocks. We have some Ninja Turtles, some unicorns, a little mouse. And then we have some more rocks over here. There's a little whale sunk it down there. There's a Baymax, some poos over here, and a minion, and a flower, and a little tiny, cute little panda bear.
I'm gonna say one. See some.
And here's our letter box. It even opens. So you stick the mail in here.
Oh.
So you see the mail?
Oh, yeah.
You stick the mail in there and then it comes out here. And it can even shut because it shuts over here.
I'm the postman. It's kind of okay. Looks like the marshmallow's melting.
So now you're going to mount the marshmallows and then you're going to lift it off the thing and then we're going to add the vanilla essence.
It's making bubbles. Put it on the microwave.
Now I've mounted the vanilla essence. Now we're going to put some peanut butter in.
Bye.
Get in there. Now I've mounted all the ingredients, we're going to go inside and add it to the Cocoa Pops. Let's go! Welcome back inside. Now we're going to pour the Cocoa Pops in and then pour the mixture on top.
Ooh!
It looks really good.
Me. It's yum. It's kind of like sauce. Yum.
It's like slime and it's really sticky. And look, it's like a big. It's like stuck to my spoon because it's so sticky and gooey. Belle, would you like a turn of mixing it?
Yeah. Aww. It's looking good. It's stuck to my spoon.
Now we've made our bird's nest, we're going to put it in these cupcake wrappers. But what can we use, Belle?
We can use the hands.
Okay.
I got some. Let's put. Cupcake.
Run.
The bird's nest are finished. Now we're just going to try a little bit of this and see what it actually tastes like.
They like peanut butter.
It tastes like peanut butter. Actually, it really does taste like peanut butter.
Now more. Some more.
All I can really taste is the peanut butter and the Cocoa Pops. That's all you can really taste.
I peanut butter.
Do you like it?
I have peanut butter now.
Okay, now we're going to put some melted chocolate in them. Now we're going to carefully put the chocolate on the chocolate bird's nest, and we have one little optional thing we're going to add to it. Let's go.
Let's go. I'm going to do one.
Now let's put these in it.
What? These eggs on the cut some. You saw some Easter eggs on the cut some?
Belle didn't know this. We kept it a secret.
Aww.
Let's eat some. And eat one.
Oh, what is that?
What is that?
It's like rainbow M&Ms inside them.
Yum.
And also, Happy Easter.
I super duper yummy.
I like how it tastes.
Goodbye. Everyone.
Like and subscribe and hit the bell so you can see all our videos and you don't miss any. Bye!
Bye.